Hello everyone, Coach Carol here with the Tech Tips 30-Day Challenge. On screen, you're currently looking at the digital download that's available in my Essential Genealogy Academy. And on this first page, it just introduces you to the challenge. This will be very helpful for you in the month of March, or any month for that matter. So you can start on any day of the week, complete one task per day, or do more. If you miss a day, just resume. And each week, you can end with a reflection day. On day 30, you can then self-assess to see what you have gained in your new knowledge and power over your computer and your browser. So in the first week of the 30-day challenge, we're going to look at your browser and your workspace. So the first task we're going to look at is setting up your browser homepage to the most used genealogy site. And why does this matter? Every session starts one click faster. No more typing URLs from memory. See if I can make that a little bigger for us to view more comfortably as we proceed. The next task is to create your first tab group. And this will enable you to really organize and retrieve your research instead of all the chaos. It only takes a couple of minutes. The third one is about pinning your top 3 genealogy tools to your taskbar. Now, this removes any friction from the start of every research session. And then number 4 is about split screen. And number 5 is about opening 2 windows side by side. Number 6 is about exploring one browser feature that you've never used. And then the last thing to do is to review your week. So in this first week, I'm going to demonstrate for you a few of these tips. So I'm going to move now over to, let me just close that one down. Close down that. Waiting for the internet to catch up. There we go. One of the things that we might want to do is to manage the browser as we begin our exploration of Roots Tech 2026. So let me now share my screen again and show you how you can manage that. We're currently looking at the website for Roots Tech 2026, which is on between March 5 and 7, and it will consume us for those few days, I'm sure. Getting to it as you open up your computer is the reason for showing you this little tech tip. We want it to always show the online event page ready for us to sign in whenever we come to opening up our browser. So to do that, you'll go over to your settings for the browser. And you'll look for the On Startup feature about midway down on the left-hand side there. And you're going to tell it which page you want it to be set up to. So if I go back to what it looked like before, it might look like this for you. It will either be continue where you left off or open a new tab page. We want it to open a specific page or a set of pages as we begin to open up. In this case, I've added the link for Roots Tech 2026, and we can add a new page and type in its URL. So for example, I may want to also open up ancestry.com.au for me, and then add that in place. So now whenever I come back to my Google Chrome, it will open up these two websites for me during the next couple of weeks. It automatically saves, you don't have to do anything else. So if I now exit from the browser and then open the browser again, just have to share that again with you. And I want to open up my browser for Chrome. It should automatically give me these two new URLs ready for me to get started on my work whilst being engaged with Roots Tech 2026. Interestingly, it gave me the first one, but not the second. I have to go back and have a look at that. So remember to do this, click on the three dots, go to your settings, choose on startup. Didn't save the other one, so let's put that in again. Ancestry.com.au. Looks better. Looks better this time anyway. And once again, close the browser and then open it up again. That's better. It now opens up RootsTech as well as my Ancestry account. And of course, each one of those will wait for me to log in. So it's a nice quick start to the day or the week for that matter. And you can do that with absolutely any URL of your choice. So that is the first tech tip for today, which is all about browser management. I'll be back in a little while with tip number 2, which is all about tab groups. Stay tuned.